All right, all right. It's the end of the day. You got about 6 minutes left in the market. Um, what we're looking at, we're actually breaking that trend line. And if we look at yesterday, we had that big engulfing bear bar, and this is just follow through. We may very well test the low of 41.15 before the Fed has something to say. And I wonder if the Fed is going to have any effect, really. This turned around about the same time, or the market turned around about the same time that a little article went out about Biden making statements about chemical warfare in the Ukraine, and that the U.S. and NATO won't stand still for that. And that's some pretty tough talk. This guy Putin's a whack job, and he may resort to chemical warfare. And Biden making that statement would have to make a move. So I think that just put a little fear in the market. That's all I could really feel. I mean, there's not much more to it. I mean, we know what's going on with the Fed. The only variable is their statements going forward, but who's to say? Quick look at the 10-year. Really strong bar pushing up. Momentum is following. We'll just let it keep running. We're not going to chase it. I see no indication of it turning around. All the charts across the board have pretty good momentum to the upside. And Bitcoin still just in that pennant. Look at it, just chopping around. Um, Kind of interesting that it's really not down for the day because it is, a risk asset. But looks like a head and shoulders right here. So I want to argue that you got a wee bit of a trade. Nah. I mean, there's a lot of outliers on it, so it's hard to call. Really, I mean, if we were going to get fancy, that would be the line. And this just feels superficial, this tail. I would watch that. I would think that's a good break. This is probably your next target on it. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, I think risk's going to come back into the market. I mean, maybe I'm a foolish optimist, but I think this is just people backing away. And you got to figure this triple witching too, right behind the Fed decision. So I think people are just backing away right now. No buying coming into it, but eventually you will see it. You will see it. Let's take a look at wheat. The It stopped dropping aggressively, but I would stay away until I see a close of these gaps right here. That would be my buy target right there, to tell you the truth on this trade. There's still going to be pressure on wheat. You know, that's the wrap. Still going to be pressure on wheat. I think it was overdone, but right here would be fair value if you wanted to go long. I think the get rich quick play is done and out of it. But if you were looking to do a value trade, I think that's a good spot right there. Hold and builders you're not interested in. Here's some energy. Put in that double top and it's trading off. All these the war trades just all got overextended and now they're correcting. So I mean it's going to be the same story on all of it. This MULN, one of these guys asked me to take a look at it. EV company. You can see that's a bearish doji. It's probably, yeah. I mean, stay away from this thing until it closes the stock, this gap, and then you could start looking for a trading opportunity in it. That's about it, man. That's about it. That's about all I got. I'm just feeling kind of worn out and tired. So I'm cutting it short. Everybody have a good night, and I'll catch you guys in the morning.